Hello, this video is for students taking IPC144 at Seneca College. In this video, we will be looking at the 6 operators shown here. These operators are considered to be comparison operators, and what that means is that they will compare two values on the left and right and determine if an expression is true or not. The first operator here is the greater than operator, and it is true if the left operand is bigger than the right operand. False if it is smaller or the same. The greater than or equal to operator is just like the greater than operator, but it also allows for equivalence. The less than operator is true if the left-hand side is smaller than the right-hand side. It is false if it is bigger or if it is the same. If you use the less than or equals to operator, though, the values are allowed to be the same, but they're not allowed to be bigger. The next operator I want to look at is the not equals operator, which is represented by an exclamation mark and an equal sign. This operator is true if the two values are not the same. Therefore, 5 not equal to 5 is false because they are the same, whereas 5 not equal to 4 is true. The last operator is the equivalence operator, which is true if two values are identical. 5 is equivalent to 6 is false, whereas 4 is equivalent to 4 is true. Now, one thing you have to be very, very careful of in C is the idea of what is true and false. C actually evaluates true and false with zeros and non-zeros. Anything that is 0 is false, and every other value that is not 0 is considered to be true. So let's take a look at this expression here. I have A. A is assigned the value of 6 plus 2, which means that it is 8. So the question is the statement written here true or false? The answer is, it is absolutely true. The reason this statement is true is because this is not the equivalent operator. The equivalent operator has two equal signs. What we have here is the assignment operator. The assignment operator evaluates to whatever the right operand is, and in this case the right operand is the number 5, and therefore 5 happens to not be 0, which is why it is true. You have to be very careful, because if you ever try to evaluate this as if it is an equivalent operator, there are compilers out there that will not tell you that this is in any way, shape, or form wrong, because this is a perfectly legitimate C statement, and it has an evaluated value. It might not be what you're trying to do, but it is syntactically correct, and it can be checked for truth or false. That is everything. Thank you.